Welcome to Beautyistic. We've all been there, standing in front of the mirror, trying to reach that one stubborn spot between your teeth with floss, and it just doesn't seem to work. Well, today's product could be a game changer in your oral care routine. If you're tired of using traditional floss and want a more effective, comfortable solution, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any honest beauty reviews here on Beautyistic. Now, let's talk about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, moderate interdental brushes. These soft-bristled dental picks are designed to clean between your teeth, effectively removing plaque that regular brushing might miss. Whether you're dealing with braces, implants, or just looking for a deeper clean, these little brushes are here to help. This set comes with a pack of 40, each one equipped with a protective travel cap, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Sounds promising, right? Let's see how they stack up. So, what exactly makes these interdental brushes stand out? First off, they feature soft bristles, designed to slide comfortably between your teeth and clean those hard-to-reach areas. Unlike traditional floss, which can sometimes be harsh or ineffective for certain gaps, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens offer a more efficient alternative for plaque removal. They are particularly beneficial for those with moderately spaced teeth, braces, or other dental devices like retainers or bridges. The nylon-coated wire is gentle on your appliances, so you don't have to worry about scratching your braces or causing any discomfort. In terms of usability, these brushes are compact, reusable, and easy to carry around. The fact that each brush comes with a protective travel cap is a nice touch, especially for those who need to clean between their teeth during the day or while traveling. And with bristles treated with a hygienic solution for up to 10 days of use, you don't have to worry about the brushes losing their effectiveness too quickly. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you're using it in the morning, evening, or even after meals. But how well does it perform? After testing it out for a few days, I found that the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens really do the job when it comes to cleaning between the teeth. The moderate-sized brush is the perfect fit for my own gaps, providing a solid clean without any discomfort. The soft bristles are gentle yet effective at removing plaque, and I especially appreciated how it helped me get to those spots that my toothbrush simply couldn't reach. That being said, these brushes are not without their limitations. If you have particularly tight spaces between your teeth, you might need to go for a different size or brand. Also, while the travel cap is great for hygiene, it can be a bit tricky to remove when you're in a rush. It's a small thing, but worth mentioning if you're trying to use the brush quickly. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, these brushes are incredibly effective at removing plaque and cleaning around braces and other dental devices. The bristles are soft, making them gentle yet efficient. They are compact and easy to carry, perfect for travel, and the hygienic solution on the bristles ensures longevity. On the downside, if you have very tight spaces between your teeth, you may not get the best results with this particular size. Additionally, the cap can be a little fiddly when you're trying to use the brush quickly. In terms of value for money, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens definitely provides solid performance for the price. Considering the quality of the bristles, their durability, and the hygienic cap, they offer good value, especially when you factor in how long each brush lasts. Now, if you're someone who's looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are other interdental brushes out there that offer similar benefits at a lower price point. But if you're already committed to taking care of your teeth with products that are easy to use and gentle on your dental appliances, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are well worth considering. Overall, I'd say these brushes are a great choice for anyone who's serious about oral hygiene and needs something more effective than traditional floss. Whether you're dealing with braces, tight teeth, or just want a more thorough clean, these brushes will help you get to those tricky spots with ease. If you're in the market for a reliable and convenient option to complement your oral care routine, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are definitely worth checking out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on these, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.